see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Good morning guys. Hinihintay lang namin yung mga bata. 7 o'clock. Si John. In pain siya. Sakit yung ano niya. Sakit yung knee at saka yung shoulder. Kaya hindi niya maalong kamay niya ang maakyat. Maakyat yung tama. Sinihintay lang namin yung mga bata. So, hintay natin yung mga bata. Dito na namin inaabangan sa my couch kasi baka dumiretso sila doon sa kwarto ni Holly. Pero di diretso naman talaga sila doon sa kwarto. Antok na antok ako. Wala akong tulog. Antok ako kasi nakatulog ka kanina mga alas 3. Madaling araw. So, hintayin lang natin yung mga bata. Wala pa rin yung mga bata. 1 hour na kami naghihintay. Pag walang okasyon, ang aga nilang magising. Anong oras? Nag-alarm na lang yung phone ko. Hi, Isaac. Good morning. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Ayan na si Isaac. Merry Christmas. I'm so sleepy. I couldn't sleep.
What?
So we're just gonna wait for. Oh yeah, I didn't check. Did he eat it?
Not really. I didn't eat it all.
How many left?
Just a ton.
Just a couple. Are you excited to see what's your present?
I had a Spider-Man watch.
You think so?
Yeah.
That was too late. You just asked that for yesterday. Father Christmas has been going around, traveling already, so I don't think so. That's why you have to
No, we
think.
said that next year.
For next year.
Yeah, we said that. We said that when it was next time, there was no Spider-Man watch. Now they showed us.
Oh, okay. What's that? Okay. Kunin na lang ni Jen kasi may siya.
I can say Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yes.
Okay. What did you say? May sinabi si Sak. What did you say?
His knee's bugged.
What did you say to your dad? Why he was what?
Walking like a dreamer.
Walking like a girl. Hi, Papa. Merry Christmas.
Can you walk a bit faster? That hurt your knee.
Merry Christmas, Papa. Si Kuya na lang ang hinihintay namin.
We need a last person.
Hi, Kuya. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. He does donate.
Merry Christmas, Kuya.
Merry Christmas, so then dead in. That's all 5 Christmas messages. Oh, you're right, Dad.
Wait for mommy. Wait for daddy. You have to wait for daddy. Let daddy go first.
He can walk really fast.
Injured kasi si daddy. Hindi niya naman. Wait, Baba. Wait for daddy. Wait, Baba, wait. Wait for daddy. Wait for daddy.
You're on.
Wait for daddy.
Yeah!
Where's yours, Baba?
Where's yours, Baba?
Baba, look. Your helmet? Super!
Baba! Oh, wow. You like it?
Oh, I'm seeing little driver.
Diba siya, nahihiya pa siya dun sa bike niya.
Have to check that drawer out.
You have to check.
Here.
Oh yeah, we're getting something.
What's wrong, Baba?
This surfboard.
What's
I
wrong?
need you to hybrid with it.
She's lucky. Hey, Zach.
I
Don't
didn't.
shoot me, mate.
And then have a look in there later.
Yeah. You can ride with the boys now, Bubby.
I could push it.
Feet on the pedals. Feet on the pedals.
Dad, look.
One there.
Dad.
Oh, you got helmets.
Mum, look, come here.
Come here.
Come here. You want me to take this off? Look at this. It's really long.
Wow. You like it?
Yeah, light is good. Wait, Dad, shine.
Shine. You like it?
Wait, Dad, shine.
Shine.
Dad.
Wow. See how
Yeah, what we can do?
That's alright.
Wow.
Can I put this in my pile?
Where?
In my pile.
What? Just put it there, Kuya, because we might break it, Kuya. Just put it. We're gonna open all your presents first.
This has to say my pile's gonna be there. I found the open present.
Okay.
Dad, put your
Oh.
bag somewhere there. Then put your bag here. What bag is this? Towel bill. That's the driver I have, Dad.
That's that's you for the surfboard, your leg rope.
Ah. Here.
Wait, you helmet. No, my pile. Look, my pile's gonna be there. I found the open present.
Okay.
Dad, put your
Oh.
bag. Take a ring. What is this, Dad?
Where's that hook?
Let's see what it is.
The hook.
I don't know.
Dad, I want this. Look, I
There should be a
want
little
to
metal hook though for the curtain.
I want
Dad,
to
look.
Oh, it must be down.
What's that?
Did I say this? Dad, did I say this? Being a good girl, but not me.
Sharing is because that's yours there, mate.
Sharing and caring.
It says always being a good boy, Zach.
Yeah,
I'm not in there.
that's alright, man.
What that says?
Well, I
Sharing
was.
is caring.
In my door.
Okay, Zach.
Is that Holly's there?
Let me see how
Holly, this is yours.
Let me see, Papa.
That's yours.
Okay, that's
These
yours,
are
Holly.
to yours. Wait, where's the one that
Oh,
says
that's
cool?
Holly's.
That's Holly. It says
No, I want the
Holly.
one that says
Quick.
cool TJ.
That's not yours, Zach.
Oh, this is someone else. Yeah, there's one that says. Oh, that's heavy.
Where's that?
One.
Find out first. This one first, Kuya.
Man,
Nah,
mate.
I'm doing this one.
Mike,
Too late already.
This one first.
Too late.
is that for your kitchen, Baba?
No, that's not for you. That's for Kuya TJ.
Oh my god. I thought this was a drink bottle. What is that?
What's that, Holly?
Baba, for your kitchen.
Oh, that's for the bar.
That's big. No, that's for outside.
Bubbles.
Open that one, Kuya.
Oh, you got blowing
Wait.
Blowing what?
Open.
You
There's
don't
one.
open it yet, mate.
Oh.
Is it says?
Hey, can I bring this animals?
No, it's yours.
Yes, you can. Yes.
Good. Oh, yeah. Surfing. Oh, jacket.
Wetsuit.
Wetsuit.
Oh, you know. Oh, yeah, that's right.
Good luck.
Whoa.
Open,
I'm going to be
baby,
nice
open.
and puffy in there.
Here.
Sick.
You like it?
What's that? Huh? One.
And with Kuya.
Wow. I don't have much
that, Baba? Hello.
What's that say?
Daddy.
Are you gonna bring someone, Baba?
And
Mom, you said that was someone else.
that's for
Mom,
someone, Mama.
Mom, you said that was someone else.
Yes.
Zach, come here.
Someone else.
What?
Where's yours, Kuya?
Whoa!
They
But that's
some water.
good.
Yeah, later in the
Wet
day.
foot.
Yeah, I like Whoa! No, that's for surfing too.
Yeah.
And also,
TJ, have you
Kuya.
opened?
what? I
What
was
is it?
Yes, where I'm looking.
This is
That's
but
the ear.
that open yours, this big one.
Open.
That
Oh, same, Baba. Look at
Oh,
your
Hunter
phone.
gets
Look.
Dad, this one's for Hunter. This one's a big one. This one's Dad. Give that to
Well,
Dad.
I can put-
Dad,
Kuya.
open this one.
Wait. Again.
That's big.
Ano?
Okay, which one?
Where's yours?
Who's this big one?
Don't open it. Wait.
Holly.
Yeah, open it. Where's it?
TJ, Sock, and Holly.
No,
No, that's not yours.
Yes, the wetsuit.
This is Holly. You got lot, Holly.
Huh?
Hey,
Help Holly.
get all that one, TJ.
Yeah. You want me to help you open this one?
Come here.
Bigger. Whoa, look at you.
What's?
Mom!
How come that's not hers?
Why she's opening that one? That's not hers.
Oh, no. You didn't stick it back on. That's
Size
yours.
8.
Oh, this is
How
yours.
much? Size
Do you like it?
8. Size 6. So that's a 6.
Yeah, that's
No,
mine.
here's yours and
I
that's yours.
touched this.
Hey, look.
Okay,
Stand up.
How come only
I
have
think
the
it's,
most
is it alright?
Is there any more?
Yes, here, Kuya. For both of you.
Not bye. Oh, open it. Is this Pac-Man?
Yes.
Yes, that's what I asked it for.
Yes.
Wait,
and-
no, that has a sticker.
Zach, this is yours.
TJ, can you just go get the scissors, please?
Kuya.
Get the scissors for me, please.
Kuya, this is yours.
I know this clothes.
What's that?
I know this is short.
What's those things for?
Too big. Oh,
Here, put them in your pile. Where's your pile?
oh, that's with my phone.
Your bag.
My bag.
Wow.
Mama, get one. Wow. Hey, Mom, we have this at school. What is it?
Just help Holly.
Wow.
Put it down, Bubba. Shorts, mate.
Shorts for golf.
5. That's close.
And
Grab that phone, Zach, please.
Oh, I'm not with
Here,
someone.
put it here.
wow.
Got me one.
Yeah, we'll get lots.
Yeah, you're gonna get more and Auntie Mel's house.
Holy look. I just said.
Oh, help Holly.
Mom, I just said no party. Wait.
Oh, hamburger.
Yeah.
This wasn't even this.
Naghahanap pa si Sako.
Hamburger, Bubba.
Oh, that's small.
What else?
Huh?
And sauce. And Coke.
Dad, open this one.
And chips. Look at the chips.
That one, give that to Daddy. That one, knock that one. Give that to Daddy.
Dad. Dad.
Yeah, Bubs.
Dad. This is that. This is that. Okay. Oh.
Oh, there's another one, knock. There's another small one for Daddy. Is it Daddy? Yeah, that's for Daddy. That's really good, honey.
These ones.
Oh, yeah. It's very, very yummy.
Oh, we had that.
That one.
Dad, open this one.
Just like excited ibigay yung isa.
No chocolate for Dad.
I know.
No.
Move this one, Nak. Move all that stuff. This is holy. This is holy.
Dad, open this one. Nah.
What's
That's
that?
what's
That's
that?
yours.
Ah, yeah, put it one. That one. That's yours. Help Daddy move that one here.
How's that?
Wait, move this one. I'm sorry. Give that to Daddy.
Dad. It will help you feel your nail. See? That's
It will help your muscles, hon.
And make you a six-pack again.
Holly, there's one more for Holly.
This one?
Open this one. This one.
Holly, you got a big one.
Hey, Holly, no, not that one, Baba. Go there.
Scissors.
No, you can't knock. You can't. Don't use that one, Baba. Look at.
What is that?
Hey, lady, here, give me some.
That's for the house. Yung steamer na plancha. Para hindi na ako mag-kabayo. Ayan.
I know you wrapped that up.
Yeah, don't have that yet, because I'm going to put it together later.
Yeah, Daddy cannot do it now. So clean up your mess.
That is your bike. In my bike.
Whose bike is this?
My bike.
Get off my bike. No, just here for now,
You
na.
need batteries.
Just here for now, Kuya Sak. Oh,
No, we just have this. Let the whole one to watch your mom.
okay. It's huge.
Look.
Nung nasa Bali kami, grabe, sobrang gustong-gusto nilang mag-surf. Oh, nag-surf
I
din
can
kami.
bring this on Thursday as long as I'm on the beach on Thursday.
Are you?
Yes.
Okay.
Watch.
Careful, Kuya, ha?
Dang it, it can't go through.
That's right. Just put it there for now.
Okay, I'm bringing it out there so you can watch for it.
Hindi na makapaghintay si Kuya mag-surfing. Are you excited to play your golf stick, Zach?
Because it's on Daddy. I'm excited to use this.
Wait, okay.
Yeah, you buggy.
Oh, see, you got another one, Zach.
One's better. Yes, it is. I got a pencil thing.
Si Kuya, may ganyan na din si Kuya.
Yeah, lift that up, mate. That's it. And unfold out, see?
Hey, how come
Watch
his
your
is...
fingers.
Watch your fingers.
How come
Lift
his
that up.
is way taller? How come this is way taller than mine?
This is the new model. Push that down.
Wow.
What does that says?
And just. Well, that boy.
Okay,
Where's the driver then?
you're good to go, Zachy boy.
Now can play golf with me.
Oh!
Kuya Zachy, push daw.
Mine's in the emerald like thing.
Gotta put the fins on.
Let's do it.
See?
Yeah.
Push later, Baba.
It's plastic.
That's like. It's hard on the bottom.
But it's
Don't scratch it. Yeah, I know. We'll take that off. See?
I'm not having...
Wow, Zachy.
Barley. You gotta get up on this one.
Huh?
Wood.
And we have to take this plastic off.
Yeah, not yet. Wait a minute.
I just... Hey, Dad, can I wear this?
Stay off crooked.
What happened, Baba? Daddy.
Dad, Dad, you need to go for more rubber bands. You need more.
Yeah, put them up there, mate.
This is really big.
Yeah, but you're going to grow, mate.
Yeah, I didn't
Hand
see
up.
it. I know.
Here, give me that.
What's this club? What's this club? Oh, what's that?
That's mine.
What's that? Wait, Holly.
What's that, Zach? May sinabi si Zach.
I can play good with them ones.
Boy.
I haven't tightened on it yet, so I'll go get a bag and put all the rubbish in a bag. Don't run up.
Clean up time. Madilim na talaga to.
Wait,
Clean up.
is that going to do?
Yeah.
That's always
Yeah,
been
come on.
a good do.
Si Zach ayaw umalis dun sa kanyang ano.
Zach.
Ayaw niyang,
Not really fried.
Oh, something, yeah. Cup.
ayaw niyang iiwan yung golf
You gotta hopefully
sticks niya.
get some balls and tees and that, and you'll be right.
Chicken if you have
No,
bowls.
it's happening there.
Last year, in 2016, I got teeth in my bag.
Yeah.
Oh, ayun na, si Holly nang gumagawa, kuya.
Huh?
Good job, Baba.
Hot bubble.
Good job, Baba. She's helping Daddy. Help Holly, please. And get all this nuts
Oh,
out.
here's some.
This one, Baba, oh. What's that? Careful, kuya.
What's it, Mom? Where is it in the car?
Well, I'm not sure where is it.
Get that big one, Bubba. The big one there.
Wait, there's not sure how I can go
Huh?
like that.
It's mommy. Where's
Yeah, You
mommy?
have to clean up first before you lay that there.
Where's mommy?
Yeah. This
Is that for mommy? Oh, alam niya kasi ano yun.
Clean up the
Yeah.
stuff through here.
Is that for mama? Baba? Thank you. Oh, that's not for you, Baba. That's for someone.
It's your feet.
It's not for Sophie. It's for Aliyah or Veronica.
Yeah, on your back as
Ayan si
well.
Zach. Oh, hindi pa siya umaalis dyan. Kanina pa. Nakalinis na lang si kuya ng mga wrapper dito.
You should have told me.
Oh, next year. Next year.
You really love it, Zach.
That's my story.
Siya talaga very appreciative talaga siya
We'll
pag
tie it up later, mate. Just sit it there for now.
pag mayroon talagang binigay sa kanya, talagang
Huh?
inaano niya yan. Oh, dumidilim yung ano, yung camera,
What's
oy.
that? Is that got to be cut off or?
Sobrang appreciative niya talaga.
Yeah, I think
Sila kuya,
cut
ganoon
that,
din, pero
don't
si
you?
Zach talaga
Oh, no,
grabe, as
twist it.
in,
Just twist it.
ang tagal niya na dyan, kanina pa siya dyan, hindi siya umaalis, chinecheck niya lahat, and then may sinasabi siya kay daddy niya.
Nah, she's all right.
Don't do it.
You get it?
I know it's red hot.
There's one at the bottom too, mate.
Where?
There's one at the bottom. The bottom.
What's it? Here.
The bottom po, Zach.
Honey.
Is that?
Ayan pa rin si Zach. Baka itabi na to ni Zach sa pagtulog niya. Tinawag niya si daddy niya para ilagay yung strap.
Wait. Wait. What?
Zach,
Yes.
look at me. Like this? Is it good? Yung dalawa andun. Tinutulungan niya pa rin si Holly.
Quiet.
It's so quiet. Holly, sing Jingle Bell.
Right.
Ayun. Siguro mga magdadalawang oras na yan dyan si Zach.
Like good day.
Hindi niya iniiwan ang kanyang golf
Bloody
stick.
pull your finger out, it's just for you.
Yan, ano lang siya, fun bake, tapos, yeah, keep warm. Kasi init-init lang naman siya. So, ang oras is 10. Alis kami mga 11:30. Tingnan nyo, inalis na ni Holly yung mga, eto yung ganyan, tassel-tassel dyan sa bike niya. Kasi lagi niyang hinihila. Ayan, tinanggal mo na lahat. Wala na. Yeah, it's in the bin now. kay Sak at saka kay TJ. Ito yung golf set. Ito naman ngayon kay Sakay. Kasi last year or 2 years ago, si Kuya TJ ang mayroong bago. Si Sak kasi ang ginagamit niya yung old pa ni TJ. So ngayon, turn niya naman magkaroon ng bagong golf set. So ito kay Sakay rito. Ayan. Etong bike kay Holly syempre kasi si Holly hiningi niya talaga to kay daddy niya, sabi niya gusto niya raw ng bike. So eto, may bike. Bike
Yeah.
na siya kasi sila kuya niya laging nasa laging nasa road nagbabike, so parang siya naiinggit din pero hindi siya magra-ride sa road. So dito lang. Ito yung kay Holly, may kasama tong helmet, kukunin ko. Ay, ang bigat nito. So, eto yung helmet. Si Jan ang bumili nito. As in, last minute niya lang to binili. Kasi nga, si Holly sabi niya, gusto niya talagang bike. So, eto yung ano niya is unicorn. So, binilan siya ng daddy niya na parehong unicorn. Yung bike, tsaka eto, helmet. Tapos, eto yung kay Sak, yung sa strap para sa golf niya. So, ayan. Silagay ko yan dito. Super excited na ako para mamaya sa kanila kung ano magiging reaction nila. So, yan. Okay. Napagod ako dun ah. Sige na. Merry Christmas! Good morning! So, ayan. Nalagyan ko na siya ng pangalan.
Paradise, tell me who you seek.